Hello, good evening, my dears. Welcome back to our today's class. Are you safe at your home? Okay, very good. Children, in the last class, we completed the story of the Happy Prince, didn't we? Okay, very good. Today, we are going to learn a new story, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. I think you may have read the story from the storybooks like Pumbata, Balarama, etc. Okay, then are you ready for today's class? Okay, let's start today's class. It is the story of a man who comes to the town of Hamelin with a magic pipe at the time of a crisis and offers help to the people there. Now all of you take your text, page number 127. I'll read the text. You listen carefully. The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Hamelin was a small town in Germany. The town was full of rats. They were in houses, inns, shops, schools, and in every street. Rats became a serious problem. Everyone wanted to find a solution for it. The mayor had often held meetings with the people of the town to discuss the problem. In the beginning, they thought that cats would drive away the rats, but it was very difficult to find large numbers of cats. They were in a real dilemma. Okay, my dears, listen to me. Children, do you remember where is Hamelin? Yes, very good. It is in Germany. The story happened in Germany. Hamelin was a small town. There was a problem. Do you know what was it? Yes, there was full of rats. Very good. They were everywhere in houses, streets, shops, schools and inns. Inn means a house providing food, drink and accommodation, especially for travelers. The rats became a very serious problem of the people of Hamelin. Everyone wanted to find out a solution for it. The mayor of the city was very curious about his people, so he had often held meetings with the people of the town to discuss the problem. At first, they thought that cats can drive away the rats, but it was very difficult for them to find out a large number of cats. Really, they were in a real dilemma. Dilemma means problematic situations. That is, it is difficult to decide what to do or what not to do. Okay, my dears, shall we move on to the next passage? Listen to me, I will read the passage. One day, a stranger came to the town of Hamelin. He carried a pipe with him. He had a stern look and walked straight to the mayor's office. He faced the mayor of Hamelin and said, "It is well known across Germany and Hamelin has a problem of rats. I will get rid of all the rats. What would my reward be?" For a moment, the mayor was stunned. It was difficult for him to believe that a single man could do it. 10,000 gold coins from our treasury if you can do as you promise, said the mayor. The stranger nodded his head and said, "In a day's time, Hamelin will have no rats." Okay, my dears, listen to me. I will give the detailed explanation. Look, the condition of the city was very crucial. In that situation, there came a stranger. He carried a pipe with him and had a stern look and walked straight to the mayor's office. Then he said to the mayor that it is well known across the Germany that your city has a problem of rats. "I am ready I will get rid of all the rats from here. Then what would my reward be? What will you give me as reward? By hearing this, Mayo was upset because he couldn't believe how can a single person get rid of all rats. Even though he offered 10,000 gold coins from his treasury if he could do it. Then the stranger nodded his head as agreement. Nod means to move the head as showing agreement. Okay, my dears, shall we move on to the next passage? Listen to me. The stranger walked out into the street, pulled out his pipe and started playing it. An airy sound floated in the air. People of Hamelin could hear the beautiful tone from every corner of Hamelin and were paralyzed by the enchanting music. All of a sudden, there was a whirring noise. Thousands of rats came all the way from various directions. They followed the piper. It seemed that the rats were mesmerized by the delightful music of the pipe. The stranger headed towards the sea with all rats of Hamelin behind him. It was an extraordinary sight for the folks of Hamelin. Okay, my dears, listen to me. I'll give the detailed explanation. Okay, my dears, what was the promise of the mayor? Yes, 10,000 gold coins. Then the stranger walked out into the street and started to play his pipe. Then an eerie sound floated in the air. Eerie means strange. When the stranger played his pipe, there floated a strange sound came from the pipe. By hearing this enchanting music, enchanting means very attractive. The people in that town become paralyzed. Paralyzed means motionless for a moment. Suddenly, there was a whirring sound that was the thousands of rats came out from various directions. Whirring means something rapidly rotate or move to and fro to make a low, continuous, regular sound. They followed the stranger. Then it seemed that rats were mesmerized. Mesmerize means to have a strong effect. That is, the rats were strongly affected by the delightful music from the pipe. Thus the stranger led them towards the sea. It was an extraordinary sight for the people of Hamelin. Okay, my dears, hope you understood today's class. Children, you should read these passages 3 times as homework. Now is the time to wind up today's class. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the story. Thank you.